Hello, we are the people from poultry sector and we are very brave. We have been surviving with so many odds in our life. We have been surviving with E. coli, Salmonella, Mycoplasma, right up to the fluctuations in the market prices. That's fine. There is just an addition to the list, COVID-19. Let's understand, let's prepare, and let's start living with COVID-19 rather than quitting. I remember the words of famous Marathi poet Keshav Sut, who says, झटणे हे या जगण्याचे तत्वमनी तू जाण, म्हणून उद्यम सोडू नको जोवर देही प्राण. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. COVID-19 is a pandemic. We are living in an era of uncertainty. Poultry sector has to navigate to be successful. That is a new normal now. However, consumer is focusing more on safety, hygiene. Suddenly life has become more valuable than money. Let us build organizations, brands that shows us chicken and egg as enhancers of immunity and provider of protein. Let us build Atmanirbhar Bharat with Atmanirbhar Poultry.
We don't produce chicken here. We produce health and happiness. Throughout the journey from farm to fork, we make sure that our employees, customers, or even Mother Earth should be very happy. People are more and more health conscious today. They need lot of protein. Chicken is the best alternative. Demand for chicken is increasing day by day. For that, we have to produce our chicken very responsibly without harming the mother nature.
Hello all. Today we are witnessing that from a small entrepreneur to a big corporate houses, all are facing financial challenges during this COVID-19 pandemic, and therefore maintaining financial health of a business is a key factor during this critical time. On this background, I will be speaking on financial risk assessment for the poultry sector, financial planning including working capital management, and important factors to be considered for bank finance. Thank you.
Hello friends. We are completing exactly 90 days when industry has first stuck due to the rumors of corona infection with regard to poultry, and the actual corona infection which has stuck to India maybe somewhere at the end of February and start of the March, and then exactly the lockdown was declared, and because of which industry had suffered a huge losses. When you analyze overall situation of broiler or layer, you will understand one thing. There was something which was missing to analyze, interpret and understand what and where the things were wrong, because of which we were continuing the business but with some difficulty, and corona infection was a reason because of which we actually came into the problem. Of course, now the parameters of whole business has changed, and now everybody is looking and analyzing into the situation, and they are finding their own prediction how the situation will be and where the business would be over a period of 6 months or 1 year. But are we failing somewhere, or are we really exactly to the point where the industry was, where the industry is, and where the industry would be? Of course, everybody's analyzing point will be different, everybody's interpretation will be different, but one thing is sure, you cannot deny the fact that the model of business in which we are operating, of course, there are certain strengths and there are certain weaknesses which we need to analyze properly. We need to capitalize on a strength. We need to understand the weakness, correct it, convert it into the strength, or we have to change the model of a business, the way in which we were doing the business. Come on friends, let's analyze, let's understand, let's interact on 30th of May about the overall situation of past, present and future, particularly in the pretext of COVID-19 which has stuck to the overall world. Thank you very much.